everyone, we are from SMAN Negeri 1 Kaliwungu. My name is Sabrina Natalinda with my team is.
My name is Cynthia Aisha.
My name is Melana Jua Pudit.
My name is Cindy Safarera Soyani.
My name is Najwa Sabra Misbah.
Today we're gonna presentation our research with the title is AMERO, Detection of Mercury and Rhodamin B level for substance, prevention in cosmetic using TCS 3200 sensor.
Based on data obtained from BPOM in 2022, 181 items or 1.2 million pieces of cosmetic were found to contain banned or hazardous ingredients during the period September 2022 to October 2023. Mercury is a dangerous heavy metal which even in small concentration can be toxic. The use of mercury in whitening creams can cause various things, ranging from skin discoloration, which can eventually cause dark spot on the skin, allergy, skin irritation, and high doses of use. Meanwhile, rhodamin B is a dye in the form of a green or purple red crystalline powder that is odorless, easily soluble in a bright red fluorescent solution, and is used as a dye in the textiles, pen, paper, or clothing. From the above background, we have an innovation to make AMERO, which is expected to determine the content of hazardous substances, namely mercury and rhodamin B, in cosmetics that are freely circulating in the market.
Benefits of theoretical benefits. To provide information about the design process of the AMERO detection tool using the iode-based TCS 3200 sensor. To provide information about the process of making an AMERO detection device using an iode-based TCS 3200 sensor. To provide information about the effectiveness of the AMERO detection device using the iode-based TCS 3200 sensor. Practical benefits. For the author, provides information on how to make the hazardous substance detection device using an iode-based TCS 3200 sensor. For cosmetic collectors, provides information about the content of cosmetics that are safe and good for the skin. For the community, providing information about alternative cosmetics that are good and safe for the skin health.
The tools used in the process of making AMERO tools include TCS 3200 sensor, LCD, LCD I2C, chamber cable female to female, Arduino Nano, and micro data cable. The following variation for testing mercury sample and rhodamin B sample, and this is flowchart in the AMERO detection. And this is the process of making the AMERO tool. Start from create PCB schematics and layout with the Eagle application, then printing layout on PCB, dissolving PCB, PCB drilling, and soldering component on PCB. After that, design the casing using CorelDRAW, then print the casing on acrylic using the laser cutting method, then installation of PCB and other component on the PCB. And this is AMERO result.
The next are the result of mercury test using AMERO. It was found the sample positive content, namely sample A1 with content of 25%, it has a stick texture and very striking color, and sample A2 with content of 18% with metallic odor, and sample A3 with content of 55%, it has a sticky texture, striking color, and is homogeneous, and sample A5 with content of 46%, the color is pale, the smell is pungent, and the texture is like glue. The following are the results of rhodamin B test using AMERO. It was found the sample positive content, namely sample A1 with content of 62% with some lumps and the color is bright and shiny. Sample A2 with content of 49% with a streaking and non-uniform color. And sample A5 with content of 20% with a streaking color and a metallic smell.
The process of making an AMERO detection device includes collection of tools and materials such as TCS 3200 sensor, Arduino Uno, LCD, jumper cable, micro data cable, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, methanol, and randomly selected cosmetic on the market. Tests to determine the level of mercury and rhodamin B in cosmetics are carried out in two different ways, namely detecting the mercury level in cosmetic by collecting randomly selected cosmetics that are sold freely in the market, weighing 2 grams of cosmetic and 2 grams of sodium hydroxide solution. If there are any yellow participate on the cosmetic, it means the cosmetic is positive for mercury. Put the cosmetic sample into the AMERO device and press the button to start detecting mercury levels in the cosmetic. Meanwhile, detecting rhodamin levels in cosmetic involves collecting randomly selected cosmetic that's sold in the free market, weighing 2 grams of cosmetic, 2 grams of hydrochloric acid solution, and 20 milliliters of methanol, then heating and taking the filtrate inserting cosmetic sample into the AMERO device and selecting the rhodamin B mode. And the device will start detecting. The AMERO detector can detect mercury, by testing the percentage of sample A1 25%, A2 15%, A3 55%, A5 46%, so that it can be identified as sample A4 is BPOM and does not contain mercury. Meanwhile, this tool can also detect a percentage of rhodamine B contained in samples A1 62%, A2 49%, A5 20%. This tool is able to detect the presence of the mercury and rhodamine B in 3 cosmetic samples out of 5 randomly selected cosmetic sample on the market. With the highest result of 62%, this tool has the potential to be further developed in order to protect consumers from the use of mercury and hazardous dyes in cosmetics.
And this is calculations with the number is 000622227, and this is our reference.
That's for our presentation.
Thank you.